What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, if you have freshly installed Windows 11 operating system on your computer and you want to get rid of the Microsoft Edge browser, you cannot do it easily. If I click on start and search for add or remove programs, then open it. Then try to install the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on three dot. Here you can see the install option is grayed out. So how you can install the Microsoft Edge? So let me guide you step by step. So first of all, I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge browser, then navigate to google.com. And here I'm going to search remove MS Edge GitHub. Then go to this first repository, Shadow Whisper. Then scroll down. Then from here, click on Edge only. And it will download a exe file. So click on see more. Click on this three dot. Then click on keep. Then again click here and keep anyway. Now go to your downloads folder and this time close your Microsoft Edge browser. Now right click on it and run this remove Edge application as administrator. Now it's going to open up your CMD and remove the Edge browser from your computer. Now if I click on start and search for add or remove programs, and here you can see now we don't have the Microsoft Edge application. So guys, like this you can easily get rid of Microsoft Edge application or browser from your newly installed Windows operating system. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.